Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-12081 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have already logged into SQL Plus editor as a common user called /Scott. So now what I am going to do, I am going to write one alter query, alter table person read only, enter. So you can see the table is altered. Now the table is read only. Let us see what is going to happen if I try to insert some value. Okay, so insert into person values. So I am inserting some values to the person table. Okay, you can see that ORA-12081 update operation is not allowed on table, which means that this table is in read only mode. We need to change the read only mode to read write mode. So I am executing the alter query once again, alter table person read write. Now the table is changed to read write mode. So now I can able to insert the records. So this is the fix for ORA-12081 update operation not allowed on table.